So we now understand that there's obviously that chemical detergent rest left over in the clothes, right?
Yes.
So I'm gonna take that same washcloth that we just rinsed out. I'm gonna take this as a bar of pure soap. It's just like a hotel bar soap.
Okay.
It's brand new, still in the package. I'm just gonna take it out here. And we're gonna put a little bit of bar soap on this clean washcloth because we just rinsed out the washcloth. So I'm gonna plug in the miniature. There we go. And we're just gonna put some soap on it. See how quickly we created suds there? So I'm just gonna take a glass straight out of the cabinet, just a clear glass. We're gonna rinse it under the clean water, and now I'm just gonna clean it with that bar of soap. Because just like in clothes, when you wash things in hard water, it leaves behind a chemical detergent residue on the glass, just like it does in the clothes. Have you ever noticed how the glasses out of the cabinet may have a little bit of a spotty or a film on it?
Yep. Then you have to rewash them again.
Right, and then try to polish them with a paper towel?
Yes.
Right. So we're just gonna rinse that guy out real quick. And we're just gonna set it right up there. And now we're gonna take the other glass and we're just going to rinse it off in the raw, unfiltered tap water. And now we're just gonna set that glass there. So you can already see a big difference there between the two, right?
Yes, absolutely. This one has spots and streaks on it already, and this one's completely clean.
Right.
Clear.
So when I flip both of these over now, look at that.
Wow.
Remarkable.
That's amazing.
So we're gonna take this Pepsi that I just got out of the refrigerator and we're gonna pour equal amounts into both glasses. So we have the clean glass here. And now we have the other glass. So you can already see a difference between both samples of water or samples of Pepsi. So I'm gonna swirl this one around just a little bit, kind of like we're gonna be doing a wine tasting. You'll see that there's no suds developed. But in the other cup or the other glass, you're gonna see those bubbles on the side of the glass, right?
Yeah.
So what are they doing?
Fizzing, it's reacting.
It's cleaning the glass, it's reacting, very well said. So what is it reacting with? It's reacting with a chemical detergent residue that's left over on the side of the glass,
Oh.
right? So that's what creates those suds there,
Oh, yeah.
okay?
I would like to.
So now go ahead and just smell this one. Like really, really smell it. Smells like Pepsi? Okay, go ahead and grab the other one and smell it.
This has very little smell.
Okay. So let's go ahead and try the first one here again. Go ahead and take a little sip out of that one. Comes alive, right? Tastes really good?
Yeah.
Now go ahead and taste the other one. Which one has more body or fizz?
This one does.
Right.
Yeah, this one it was actually flat.
It's already flat, even though you saw me just open a Pepsi, right?
Yeah, it tastes flat.
And the reason that is because soft drinks, just like beer, wine, most beverages that we drink, are actually very acidic. So when you pour that into a glass, it cleans that chemical detergent residue off the side of the glass. So whenever you're taking a sip out of a glass, you're ingesting that stuff that says, caution, keep out of reach of children, don't drink it or swallow it. If you do, call the police control number, right? So there's a big, huge difference there between the two. Which one would you rather have? Definitely the clean one, right?
Yeah.
Obviously. Okay. And also look at the spots on the glass. I'm gonna step out of the way so the camera can get that. But you can really see that against the dark background, the water spots and everything left over on the glasses.
You would have to rewash that glass again.
Absolutely.